Okay, hello guys, it's a new video guys. We're doing a new video. This is funny the whole time like he follows us and he was our friend and now he's just like he's weird, he's acting like possessed. No offense. But we're trying to get to 10k subscribers, and if you can please let us get to 10k subscribers, that would be a blessing. That I can get a sponsor and get a GoPro, and that will make our videos so much better. My phone's not gonna make it today, so we can't show you guys the whole thing. So we'll show you guys the whole thing later. And here's my buddy friend. He's gonna tell you some stuff.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Steven. We're trying to make this quick. His phone is on 3%. So let's start. Okay, guys, we're trying to get to 200 subscribers. If we can make it to 10,000, but our goal is today to make it to 1,000, and it's gonna be there for quite a bit. Okay, so please subscribe and comment your name, your surname, your favorite food, and your number so we can call you. If you're in South Africa, Western Cape, we can call you, fly you down.
Yeah, and we will give you a handwriting because I'm actually a professional soccer player, and he's very good at mountain biking. So yeah.
So guys, then we get you here to kind of make some videos, some mountain biking, playing some soccer. And yes, you have to bring your bike because I don't have an extra bike for you guys. So see you guys later.